Hello everyone, hope everyone's having a wonderful day. In today's video we're reviewing this video light. This came in my order with the webcam that I had ordered from Emeet, and it came a few days later. I've been meaning to film a video but haven't gotten around to it, but we're gonna do a quick unboxing and then we'll test it out as well. As we can see, this one is just the white color. There's another one that you can get that has the multicolor. I just wanted, for this current moment, just to do one solid color with different brightnesses. Later on, maybe you want to have a different setup for streaming. I might do multicolors, as many streamers do, but right now I just thought this would be what I need currently. Right here, you see that's all that's in the box. Actually, there's a little paper. So you have the little instruction manual, user manual, talking about the light, the buttons on the back, the lock. Does come with a USB-C, which I believe will connect directly to the device, and then the USB for the computer. It has the little monitor clip, and then the light itself. As you can see, it has the different modes and the power. But let me get this plugged in and then we'll see how it works. Before I turn on this light, just wanted a quick note. Normally when you screw on like an adapter to one of these clips, you usually just twist the whole device. One thing I did notice when I was trying to get this set up is if you twist it on tight without like just twisting it, and it's not at the right angle, I found out you can actually twist it right here. It has kind of like a little gear switch thing. But you can tighten it and loosen it from right here, kind of change the angle you want, and then retighten it. And it'll be at now kind of that little bit of an angle. So that's kind of a neat little trick that they have with that. I did plug this in with my MacBook charger just for the sake of having a cable, and I'm currently in my office right now. But yeah, you have the power button. This one turns down the brightness, it ups the brightness. Haven't played around with the star yet, and then same with the little cycle button. I guess as a quick thing that we could do real quick, we can look at the manual together. Like that. Control panel. Right here. So you have a collect button. So you can save the current temperature, brightness. So like it says right here. Short press the collect button to release the current color, temperature, and brightness. So it looks like if when you power it on, we'll have to do a quick test. I'll save it as the lowest brightness and see if it'll save it at that temperature. It looks like there's a cold light, warm light, and a medium temperature light. But yeah, so let's power this on. So I'll just click and hold the orange button, and as you can see, that's pretty bright. And then as I hit this minus button, kind of see it'll get a little bit dimmer. And that's the dimmest it goes. And then we will cycle. So that's the mid light, and then I guess that's the more warm light. So the more the orange, you got the blue. Yeah, so that's kind of nice where you can cycle between those colors. And then we will hold. So we'll save this current color. So we're gonna click and hold. So we'll just a quick test. We'll turn this back up. I'll just click my little star, and it'll lower it back to what my preset was. So that's kind of a nice feature where you saw when you hold it, it'll kind of flash, indicating that it's saved. And then if I, as an example, we'll do this. If I hit my start again, it'll reset it back to what it was. So hopefully that kind of gives someone an idea as to how to use this cool little light. When I ordered it, again, I'll post a picture up here of what the order was, but this was from Emeet. It had the webcam plus a little video light. They do have one, I'll show it on the screen as well, that is a multicolored light, so you can have more of the RGB effect. But hopefully that kind of gives someone an idea. And again, we'll test here in a little bit. I'll connect this to with my webcam in more of the nighttime environment for what I would be doing for streaming, and to see how this improves the camera quality with having more of that ambient light.